Our solar system is a place of incredible extremes, filled with a variety of celestial bodies that each have their own unique characteristics and climates. We have scorching hot planets that can melt lead, and frigid icy worlds where temperatures plunge to hundreds of degrees below freezing. But what about the hottest of them all? Which planet holds the title for the most blistering temperatures in our solar system? You might think it's Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, constantly bombarded by its intense heat. You'd be wrong. That honor goes to Venus, the second planet from the Sun. How can this be? How can a planet farther away from the Sun be hotter than one that's closer? The answer lies in the fascinating and sometimes bizarre ways that atmospheres shape the climates of planets. Venus's thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. This dense atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, creates surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Let's take a closer look at these two rocky neighbors, Mercury and Venus, to understand their differences and similarities, and unravel the mystery of Venus's extreme heat, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists and astronomers alike. Mercury, being the closest planet to the Sun, certainly experiences intense heat. During the day, temperatures on Mercury can soar to a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead, but here's the catch. Mercury's nights are a completely different story. Because Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, it can't hold on to the Sun's heat. So, when night falls on Mercury, temperatures plummet to an incredible minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus, on the other hand, tells a very different story. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus is a world of extremes. While not as close to the Sun as Mercury, Venus boasts an average temperature of around 867 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. And here's the kicker. This temperature remains relatively constant both day and night across the entire planet. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the temperature doesn't fluctuate much. The culprit behind this scorching and consistent heat is Venus's incredibly thick atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This thick atmosphere is so dense that it creates a pressure 92 times greater than Earth's at sea level. This dense atmosphere acts like a giant blanket, trapping the Sun's heat and creating what we call a runaway greenhouse effect. This effect is so powerful that it has turned Venus into a hothouse, making it an inhospitable place for life as we know it. The contrasting stories of Mercury and Venus highlight a crucial point. Atmospheres play a pivotal role in shaping the climates of planets. These two celestial bodies, though neighbors in our solar system, have vastly different environmental conditions due to the nature of their atmospheres. Mercury's thin atmosphere offers little protection from the Sun's heat or ability to retain it, leading to wild temperature swings. During the day, temperatures can soar to 430 degrees Celsius, while at night, they can plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Venus, however, with its thick, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, experiences the opposite effect. The dense clouds trap heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The trapped solar radiation turns Venus into a scorching inferno, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Surface temperatures on Venus can reach up to 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the tale of these two planets and marvel at the power of atmospheres to shape the destinies of worlds. Their stories remind us of the delicate balance required to sustain life and the profound impact atmospheric conditions can have on a planet's climate.